Credit cards 101, how to use them responsibly and avoid debt. Credit cards are like a double-edged sword. Used wisely, they can be a helpful financial tool, offering convenience, rewards, and a way to build credit. However, if mishandled, they can lead to a mountain of debt and financial stress. So let's explore how to use credit cards responsibly and avoid falling into the debt trap. Understanding the basics, a credit card essentially lets you borrow money from a lender, up to a certain limit, to make purchases. You then repay the borrowed amount plus any interest over time. The key is to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid accumulating interest charges. Responsible credit card. Use. Budgeting is key. Treat your credit card like cash. Only charge what you can afford to pay off in full each month. Create a budget and stick to it. Pay on time every time. Late payments can lead to hefty fees and damage your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Keep your balance low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. This demonstrates responsible credit management and helps maintain a good credit score. Avoid cash advances. Cash advances typically come with high fees and interest rates. It's best to avoid them unless absolutely necessary. Beware of rewards programs. While rewards programs can be enticing, don't let them tempt you to overspend. Focus on responsible spending habits first. If you find yourself in debt, create a repayment plan. If you've accumulated credit card debt, create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating your debt or negotiating with your creditors for lower interest rates. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your debt, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a credit counselor or financial advisor. Credit cards can be a valuable financial tool when used responsibly. By following these tips, you can enjoy the convenience and benefits of credit cards while avoiding the pitfalls of debt. Ready to take control of your finances? Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights on personal finance and credit management.